Hi, in this video we'll be talking about the dictionary method copy. We use the copy method to copy a dictionary. Let's define a dictionary first, rooms, and now let's make a copy. Now let's print the original dictionary and the copy out. Print rooms, print rooms copy. Fine. Now let's change an element in the copy. For example, the element @key Peter should now equal to 115. The change is now visible in the copy where it was made, but not in the original. Let's have a look. Rooms, Peter 112, so no change here, but rooms copy, Peter 115. Here the change is visible. What we get using the copy method is a shallow copy. So if a value in the dictionary is a complex data type like a list, only the reference will be copied. Have a look. Here we have a results dictionary where this element is a list. Let's make a copy. Now let's just check out whether this copy method worked. So results and results copy. Yeah, it worked. And now let's change the second element in the list. So we want to set this element to 7. So results copy with key George, which gives us this, and then within this list the element at index 1, so 6. And this should be set to 7. Now let's print our original results dictionary first. And the copy. As you can see, this change is now visible in both the original dictionary and the copy. This is how shallow copies work. And now let's change the whole list. So, for example, like this. This element should be now changed to this list. And let's now print the original dictionary first. And the copy. Well, this time the change is visible only in the copy. So if we change the whole element, the change is visible only in the copy. But if we change an element inside another mutable element like a list, then we're actually just copying the reference to the list. So it's a shallow copy, and the change is visible in both the original and the copy. Okay, that's it for this video. If you like it, a thumbs up would be great. Also, make sure to subscribe for future videos. If you want to leave a comment or ask a question, you're welcome to do so. Thanks for watching.